But in superlative degree, one thing may be compared with number of things. One thing may be compared with a number of things. It is stated that it possesses a quality to the highest degree. In comparative, it possesses in a higher degree. But in superlative, it possesses a quality to the highest degree. Okay? Like for example, it has that quality to a higher degree than any of the other things taken separately. Like for example, this painting is the finest of all the paintings. Okay? This painting is the finest of all the paintings. So this painting is compared with all the paintings over there. So that becomes superlative degree. Next example you see, this shirt is the costliest of all the shirts. मतलब यही वो शर्ट्स है जो कि सब शर्ट्स में से सबसे ज़्यादा महंगा है. ओके, कॉस्टलीस्ट. Once again I repeat the same idea, children, that in superlative degree it states a quality to the highest degree, to the highest degree, or you can say to a higher degree than any of the other things. Okay, so in this type of comparison, we use more modified form. Modified form we use in comparative, but in superlative we use more modified form. Form of what? Form of an adjective. So this form is generally made by adding st or est to the positive form. Okay, so this more modified form is called superlative degree. Like for example, best. Here you see better, then here it is best. You just see in comparative taller, here it is tallest. You see prettier, prettiest, fairer, fairest. Now you will see that how the quality is possessed in positive degree, comparative degree and the superlative degree. Like for example, good, better, best. Tall, taller, tallest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Fair, fairer and fairest. So the superlative form of an adjective is generally preceded by the. Okay, is preceded by the. So one, it is compared in the base form, and these two are compared in the modified form. So these three forms, okay, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So these three forms are known as degrees of comparison of adjectives. Now let's see how the degrees of comparison is being compared. When the positive degree ends in E, we add only R and ST to form its comparative and superlative degrees. I repeat it, when the positive degree ends in E, like for example, when a positive degree ends in E, okay, ends in E, अगर लास्ट में E हो, so what we will do in comparative में, we will either use R in comparative, and for superlative we will use ST. So how we will compare? So when the positive degree ends in E, अगर पॉजिटिव डिग्री है जो ई से एंड होती है तो कंपैरेटिव में हमें जस्ट आर ऐड करना है और सुपरलेटिव में हमें एस टी ऐड करना है एट द एंड में. ओके. नेक्स्ट, एडजेक्टिव्स विच आर ऑफ वन सिलेबल, जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ वन सिलेबल का है. ओके. एंड सम ऑफ मोर देन वन सिलेबल. ओके. So form their comparative degrees by adding er and the superlative degree by adding est to their positive form. Like for example, bright, brighter. Okay. Er. When you compare the positive degree with the comparative degree, then when you compare with the positive degree, you have to add er. Okay. And when you compare in the highest degree, then, or you can say in superlative degree, then you need to add est. You see, for example, cheap, cheaper, cheapest, dark, darker, darkest, fast, faster, fastest. Third point is, when the positive degree ends in a consonant after a vowel, we double the consonant and add er and est to the form comparative and superlative degree. जब पॉजिटिव डिग्री, ठीक है, एंड होती है कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर से, कॉन्सोनेंट से, ठीक है, आफ्टर द वॉवल, एज यू कैन सी BIG, कॉन्सोनेंट से एंड तो हुआ है लेकिन उसके आगे क्या है, वॉवल. सो आफ्टर द वॉवल में अगर कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर से अगर एंड होती है तो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू जस्ट डबल द एंड लेटर. व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, वी हैव टू डबल द कॉन्सोनेंट. यू सी, आफ्टर द वॉवल इज कॉन्सोनेंट, सो the last consonant letter we have doubled it. Okay. Like for example, and after that what you have to do, after doubling it, you have to just add er and est to the form comparative and superlative degrees. For example, big. Now, just because this vowel is before consonant and the consonant is at the ending after the vowel, so the consonant will be double. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to add one more G along with ER and EST. Fourth point is, when the positive degree ends in Y, अगर positive degree जो है ends in Y, after a consonant we change Y into I and add ER and EST to the form comparative and superlative degree. अगर वावल के बाद अगर कॉन्सोनेंट है तो वो कॉन्सोनेंट को हम डबल करते हुए ER और EST ऐड करेंगे. ओके. लेकिन अगर कॉन्सोनेंट के बाद अगर वावल है, वावल मीन्स Y, only this letter Y. Okay. When the positive degree ends in Y after a consonant, so what we will do, we will just change this Y into I, फिर we have to add ER and EST. Okay. I repeat it, my dear children, when the positive degree ends in Y after the consonant, we only need to change this Y into I and we have to add ER and EST just to form the comparative and superlative degree of the positive degree.